Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marinara sauce without tomatoes. Start by sautéing garlic and onion in olive oil until translucent, then add mushrooms and roasted red peppers for body and sweetness. Deglaze with red wine or vegetable stock, then stir in tomato-free umami like miso, soy sauce, or nutritional yeast. Simmer gently with herbs, adjust acidity with vinegar or lemon, and finish with fresh basil and a drizzle of good olive oil. Use roasted red peppers, mushroom puree, and carrot to replace the body and sweetness of tomatoes. Start by roasting peppers and carrots, then blend them with sautéed mushrooms and a splash of stock until smooth. Add miso or soy for umami, a touch of sugar if needed, and red wine vinegar or lemon for brightness. Finish with fresh basil and a generous swirl of olive oil for silkiness and aroma. Thanks for watching, and if this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support quick cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker fills the kitchen with clear sound while you simmer, sets timers, and answers hands-free questions. It looks compact and fits any counter without fuss. Check the description for the product link and extra deals, and if you grab one, enjoy smarter cooking. Now let's get back to the video. In low to medium heat, sweat onions and garlic until soft and golden for deep flavor. Add mushroom mixture and simmer gently to concentrate flavors without reducing too quickly, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste frequently and balance with vinegar, lemon, or a pinch of sugar, and finish with fresh herbs and olive oil off heat for a bright, rounded sauce that clings well to pasta. Serve over your favorite pasta with grated cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.